Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Jackie Chan Passion Town. Today we are going to share with you how we prepare South Indian fish curry. We are preparing it in a mud vessel. So if you have a mud vessel, you can use it. If not, any other vessel. So let's get started. We've taken a mud vessel in which we've added some coconut oil, to which we've added mustard and methi seeds, also known as fenugreek seeds. Now we are adding some shallots, which are small onions. Just mix them well. The quantity of all the ingredients is being mentioned into the description box. Now we are adding some crushed ginger garlic and slit green chilies. Toss them across. We're adding some turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, mixing them well. Now we are adding water. The quantity of the water that we've added is for 2 people, so you can increase the quantity of the water so that you get more curry. This is kadumpalli or Malabar tamarind. So we've washed it and soaked it for 2 minutes. We've added some curry leaves and now we are adding the kadumpalli or the Malabar tamarind. So you can find this across in South Indian Kerala shops, and in case if you do not have it, you can substitute it with kokum. This is just to ensure it gives a sour taste to the curry. We've added salt as per taste. And we are covering it with a lid. Now we are opening up the lid. We'll stir this all together. Now we are adding kingfish onto this particular curry. So if you do not have kingfish, no need to worry, you can add any other fish. Just mix them a little bit in the curry, the fish pieces. And now we'll leave it to cook on low flame. We'll cover it with a lid. After a few minutes, when we've just opened up the lid and see how the fish curry actually looks, we will just shake it a little bit. We are not using a spatula just to ensure that the fish pieces do not break up. But in case if you are not comfortable doing it this way, you can use the spatula, but just be a little bit careful in doing so. We'll allow it to simmer for a couple of more minutes. And friends, the fish curry is all ready. So it's ready to be served. Please do try out this recipe and I'm sure you all will love it.